Now that we've run our quote, let's take a look at what we see. If you want to change the modal premium, you can drop this option down and select what you want, and all the numbers will change. You can also hover over the premium to get a quick view of what the different modals would be. You'll see the different term lengths across the top. You can select the one that you would like. If you want to add a term length, you can go ahead on the left-hand side and click the button, and that will add, see the 15-year here. You'll see that your face amounts, you can either scroll down or you can double click the gray bar and you'll see the next face amount. If you want to add a face amount, you can either click it if it's something you previously added, or you can go ahead and add another face amount here. You'll see 2 million is reflected here, and now it's gone. So now let's select a few carriers that we want to include in our quote and then download and send to our client. So you can keep all the carriers, or you can deselect and add, say, the core that you like to quote. Once you've got your carriers added, you can select the ones that you want to share with your client. And once you've selected them, you can go ahead and save the quote and then download a copy to send to your client.